Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today Jake is going to be cleaning off his Firewall by removing a few items and grinding off some chassis mounts because for some reason they don't line up.
Oops, I'm just going to throw this back inside there. Maybe I'll sit it like that. Nice. All right. Got it off. Let's go pull this thing out. All right, there we go. Oh, got some wires to snip. Oh, and just like the rest of the thing, there's a whole bunch of acorns in there. Alright, this nut right here is in the radio. So I'm going to take this off and see if that's the only thing that's holding the radio in. Oh, nice. Alright, should we go inside to see if it comes out? It seems like it's doing something, but I think these knobs might be holding it in too. Not 100% sure. Ooh. It's money on that one. Look at the size of that radio. Whew. Voila. That's gonzos. Bye-bye.
There we have it. Jake's got his Firewall cleaned off. Now to the cab mounts.
I'm going to go ahead and cut off this cab mount. Keep this one here. It's really close to actually being the same spot, but it might need to go way higher. Let's get it.
We're getting some new cab mounts designed, built, and sent. We'll have those shortly, and make sure if you've made it this far, you hit that subscribe button. There we go. Sweet. I'm gonna clean this up and go to the other side.
Before we get going too far, we got this in our way, and as far as I know, we don't need it. So it's gonna go. All right, let's get it done.
If you enjoy watching this LS Dodge cab swap, check out the playlist in the upper right corner.
Love it. All right, I'm gonna get this cleaned up.
Thanks for tuning into this week's episode of the Roy Garage. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on next week's episode where we continue working on this cab.
Welcome back to the Roy Garage. Today, for the first time, we put this cab on top of the chassis. So that way in a future episode, we can fab up some mounts to get it permanently mounted.
And take two.
What? That was so good.